Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. The first chapter, that is chapter 8 of part 2, that is share capital transactions. The chapter is going on. What you have to learn from this chapter, and still now what you have learned, what is left to be learned, that everything you should know. Before this video, what you have learned, and in this video, what you are going to learn. Till now what I taught you, that is up to calls in area. I will tell you that two systems are there, one is calls in advance and calls in area. So all of you know what is the meaning of the calls in advance and calls in area. What you are going to learn from today's video, that I will say. Before that, one thing I want to tell you, that I told previous video that company can issue their share in 3 ways. Page number 8, in the last 7 point, according to your textbook, you see that one. Method for issue of share by company. Company can issue its share by 3 ways. Several times I told you, it may be at par, means the same value. What is the face value? The same price. At premium, more than the face value, and at discount, less than the face value. Out of these 3 steps, the at par and at premium already I taught you. And I told that at discount I will give some idea. Companies Act was passed in the year of 1956. From the 1956 till Companies Act was amendment in the year of 2013. From 1956 to 2013, it was like that company can issue share at 3 ways: at par, at premium, at discount. But after 2013, when the act was revised, that time the new rules came that company cannot issue the share at discount. But you should know the meaning of the discount. Discount meaning is company is issuing the share at less than their face value. Page number 9, on the top, the third point I am reading from your textbook. It is given clearly: issue of share at discount if the total amount payable by the shareholder by share subscriber to a company is less than the total face value of the share. The shares are said to be issued at discount. For example, if share of the face value is 10, it is issued at the price of rupees either 8 or 7 or 9, which is less than 10, then that amount which is considered less amount is called discount. But in bold letter it is given, as per section 53 of Companies Act 2013, I told you 2012 up to it was there. But when this act was amendment from the year of 2013, the companies would be no longer be permitted to issue share at a discount. So discount वाला साम आपको नहीं practice करना है, because company has no right to issue the share at a discount. But you should know the meaning of this discount. So now let us start the 2 types of sums, one at par and at premium. But keep in mind, most of the years I have seen that one, because every year I am going for more paper checking, the question will come at premium. Premium means it will be complicated. Now let me come to this today's point. Today's point is there, actually you have to learn from this chapter a complete sum of 8 marks. A complete sum of 8 marks means that it will be start from issue to reissue. What is called the issue to reissue? that is called a complete sum of 8 marks. But still I have not completed a complete sums. I completed till the up to coalescing area. So before knowing the sum, you should know the system or the method or the procedure. Then it will be easy for you to know the sum or to do the sums. What is the system? After getting the permission from the government, company will give the or issue the prospectus or give the advertisement in the paper. By seeing this advertisement, the shareholder will apply. When shareholder will apply, that time with the applications, shareholder will give the applications money, whatever it will be given according to the prospectus or the advertisement. Company will collect the all applications. After collecting all applications, if company is having the excess applications, company will take decision whose share will be cancelled or whose share will be accepted. Cancellation shares money, application money, company has to give back. After that, company will start collecting the money in different stage. Allotment, first call, final call, whatever it is there. Company will send a notice to the public or the shareholder. Shareholder will pay the money. When shareholder will pay complete all this money, means till the last call, then shareholder will get the certificate. That is called share certificate. But system is there, when company will collect the money, that time some of the shareholders are not able to pay the money when company told to pay. That thing now up to this I taught, which is considered as a false media. Next steps today I will tell you, after false media, when company will think that some of the shareholders are not paying the money in time, then company has the right, according to the Companies Act, company has the right that company can cancel their share without refunding their money which they already paid. Suppose a shareholder who paid 6 rupees, not paid 4 rupees, the shares is cancelled, that 6 rupees company will not give back. This is the rules of that. So company will give just one notice that as you have not completed the payment, your shares has been cancelled. And after cancellation, this cancellation means forfeiture. So for that one entry you have to pass after compulsion area, that company is going to cancel their share. For that one entry will come, which is called the share forfeiture entry. Next, after cancellations, this shares company will reissue. This is called reissue. Company will reissue to somebody else. Again, company will give the advertisement in the paper. I am having this many numbers of shares, I want to reissue. During this reissue, company may give the chance of the installment or may not give the chance of the installment. Company may collect that all 10 rupees at a time or after giving some discount also. Or rebate, whatever you want to say. So company will reissue these cancellation shares. For that one more entry will come. And for cancellations and reissue, these two, the company may get some extra benefit or the extra profit. That profit company has to transfer to the capital reserve account. For that one more entry will come. So still now whatever you have learned up to compulsion area, after that 3 entries will come. One for cancellations of the share, which is called share forfeiture, and therefore reissue of this, the share which is cancelled by the company, that will be reissued to the somebody else. One more entry. And for cancellations and reissue, what benefit company is getting extra money, that has to be transferred to the capital reserve, or that one more entry will come. This is called a complete 8 mark sum. Today I have taken my own sum. This chapter I told you from your textbook illustration as well as the exercise, whatever it is given, that one by one you make practice. Till now whatever type of sums I am making practice, that is a complete of 8 marks. After that, sum of the illustration as well as the exercise, small type of sums are there, 3 or 4 line sums, that I will teach you afterwards. But without knowing these things, you will not understand. For that, let me complete till issue to reissue. After that, I will come back to the short type of sums. What is given in these questions that I have written my own questions in short form. I have not written the sentence like the book has given. What sum I have given? Issued capital 40,000 into 12. When 12 is coming, you understood that this 12 means 10 plus 2 generally. Or what is the meaning of 10 plus 2? That also you know. 10 rupees is the face value, 2 rupees is the premium. Suppose one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose these 2 rupees it is with whom company is not giving, then you will consider with allotment. It is not clear? Although of course by seeing this amount of the allotment you can understand. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12 already is coming. But these 2 rupees it is with allotment. So issued capital 40,000 into 12. Applications received 50,000. From this sentence already you can understand that you have to refund 10,000 shareholders money, applications money. The allotment was made as under 2 plus 5, the 5 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, that you understand. That is application allotment, first call and final call. I have not written in details that you understood. Refund 10,000 shareholder, Mr. X, यहाँ से शुरू हो गया, not paid. Mr. X who was having 2,000 shares not paid the last 2 calls. Mr. X last 2 call payment नहीं दिया, मतलब कॉल से दिया गया. And Mr. Y who has not paid for 3,000 shares the last calls. So X did not pay the last 2 calls, Y did not pay the last one. Now this is up to this is called area. Now this is company forfeited. FORFEITED. Forfeited मतलब cancel. Company forfeited X and Y shares. X and Y shares means 2 plus 3, 5,000 shares. And we issued to Mr. Z at rupees 8 per share. This is 8 per share means you don't consider that discount what I told, that is because company got some benefit there for that company, company has reduced some certain money. And these 8 rupees company has not given the installment system 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, not like that. All 8 rupees from Mr. Z company will take at a time. This is called issue to reissue. Like that 8 marks complete sums will come. This is simple 8 marks. After that complicated 8 marks sums I will make you practice. So let me start this answer. Once again you will try to understand. 40,000, 50,000, 2, 5, 2, 3, 10,000 refund, 2,000 X, 3,000 Y, last 2 call or last calls, and it is given ratio to Mr. Z at rupees 8%. So first entry all of you know, we will pass the entry for share applications. Receiving entry, bank account debit. We will write here. Bank account debit to share applications account. How much? We write 50,000. Keep in mind 50,000 into 2, which is coming 1 lakh. Is that it? 1 lakh company received, but 1 lakh is not the company's money. Company's money how much? 40,000 into 2. Refund करना है 10,000 into 2, that you have to give it back. So let me write the second journal, share applications account debit, share applications account debit to share cap to bank. Because premium amount it is not with the application, premium amount it is with the allotment. First of all, share application it was credited by 1 lakh, same amount to make it a debit. You first you write it here. So this is 50,000 into 2. And how much for our money? How much we will take? 40,000 into 2. And we will give refund 10,000 into 2, which is 80,000 and 12,000. I think you understood the first 2. Now we will pass the entry for allotment. Allotment calling entry. Keep in mind When you pass the allotment calling entry, that time the premium amount is there, that you keep in mind. These are the things you have to keep in mind. यहाँ से full amount receive नहीं हुआ, यहाँ से full amount receive नहीं हुआ, यहाँ तक up to this everyone paid the money. That also you have to keep in mind. So we will pass the entry for calling. For calling for what? Calling for allotment. Calling for allotment entry will come share allotment account debit to share capital to share premium or security premium, whatever you will say. Share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Now we will call for how many shares? Not 50 but 40. So we will call 40,000 share under the pass 5 rupees per. This is 5 rupees. Allotment but including premium 3 plus 2. Out of that, how much for the share capital? 40,000 into 3, and this is 40,000 into 2, because premium is 2 rupees. 40 into 2 is equal to 80, 40 into 3 is equal to 120, and 40 into 5 is equal to 2. 2 means, you understand now? 40 into 5 is equal to 2 means 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh. So it is clear? 1 lakh 20 plus 80 is equal to 2 lakh. This is the calling entry for allotment. But did you get the all allotment money from all the shareholders? Yes. We have received this all money from all the shareholders, so policy area will not come here. So now we receive the money, that is bank money. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Share allotment account, how much? 2 lakh. That you write 2 lakh here. And you have received how much? All 2 lakhs you have received. The 2 lakh also you will receive. So bank account debit to share allotment money account actually. Everywhere I have not written to share application money account, to share allotment money account, to share allotment money account. That you will write it here. So this is up to, this is over. Now what entry we will pass? Number 5. Number 5 we will pass the calling for first call. First call is how much? 2 rupees. How many shares we will call? 40,000 shares. So share first call account debit to share cap. Share capital. How much? We will write here 40,000 into 2 is equal to 80,000. That time you keep in mind that call sheet will start from the next journal. This is for calling entry. Now we will pass the entry for receiving entry. Receiving entry for which one? For first call. First call, how much money you told to pay? You told to pay 40,000 shares into 2. But did all take the money? No. Some of the shareholders they stopped paying money from first call. Who? This is Mr. X. For how many shares? 2,000 shares. So we will write it here, number 6, bank account debit. Bank account debit. Now it is coming call scenario. I told call scenario you will write it here. Account debit to share first call. Is it correct? Share first call, that you write it 80,000. It is debit was there, you make it. What will do it here? 2,000 shares Mr. X did not pay. How much money? 2,000 into 2, 4,000. So here you write 2,000 into 2 is equal to 4,000. Once you are getting 4 and if it is 80, so this will be 76. Because 80 minus 4 is equal to 76. Or this way also you can get it. 40,000 means 2,000 is less, means 38,000. 38,000 shares into 2 is equal to 76. This is called the receiving entry for first call. Now what we will do? We will pass the entry for final call. Final call which entry? Calling entry. Number 7. Share final call account debit to share cap. Isn't it? How many shares we will call? We will call 40,000 shares. How much? I think 3 rupees. Is equal to 120. Isn't it? This is calling entry. Now we will pass for the receiving entry. Receiving entry when we will pass for the final call. That time one more thing you have to keep in mind. Mr. X का साथ Mr. Y भी है, इसलिए Y का शेयर भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So you will make here bank account debit, calls in area account debit to share final call. First of all, share final call which was debited by 120, make it credit 120. And calls in area, that is 2000 plus 3000 equal to 5000 into 3 is equal to 15,000. And if it is 15,000, this is 15,000. Isn't it? If it is 15,000 and if it is 120, so this will be 1,05,000. Because that you understand. And another way also you can go. 40,000 shares minus 5 is equal to 35,000 shares. 35,000 shares into 3 is equal to 1,05,000. Up to these you have learned till last video. Next 3 more entry which is most important, that we have to know very carefully. And this 3 entry I am writing here. Every time this entry will come, which is called forfeiture, cancellation, one more entry, reissue, one more entry, and the transferring entry. Now we will pass the entry for cancellations. So if there are the 4 installments there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and till issue to reissue journal is given, question is given, so you will get this 4 into 2, 8 plus extra 3, last 3, what I told you, for cancellation, reissue and transfer. So 8 plus 3, total 11 entry will come. Do you understand? If there is a 4 installment are there, so issue to reissue 11 entry will come. If there is a 3 installment are there, so issue to reissue 9 entry will come. Because 3 minus 6, 6 plus 3. Now cancellation. Cancellation first entry is share capital account debit to share forfeiture to calls media. Several times I told you calls media account is always debit. Now I am writing in a credit. Already question came to your mind, sir. You told calls media debit, now it is credit. But calls media, when it will exist, it will come. First entry will come debit. This is called cancellation entry. Once you have passed the calls entry twice, 2 places. One is here and is here. That line opening entry calls media is always debit. This is entry you have passed for cancellations. I told several times that you will write the calls media. This will help you. Now, share capital account debit. How much shares you are going to cancel? 3 plus 2, 5. X and Y. Though X paid first 2 and Y paid first 3, that you want to consider. If a shareholder is not able to pay any installment or more than installment, the share will be cancelled. How many paid, how many not paid? Not paid full amount is called will be considered as a cancel. 5,000 shares will be cancelled and will be cancelled with their face value. Face value. Face value is how much? Not 12 but 10. 2 is premium. Cancellation the time premium amount will come or not, that I will tell you afterwards. Even though now I can say you, during this cancellation time, whether premium amount will come or not, that depends on premium amount is clear or not. If premium amount is clear, it is paid, then it will not come. If it is not clear, then it will come. Like that sum I will tell you afterwards. Now you see, share capital account debit 5,000 into 10 is coming 50,000. And these two, out of that, false media already balance you know. Two places false media came. If 2 are coming, you will add it. If 3 are coming, you will add it. One is 4,000 and another is 15,000. So this is 4,000 is one place in false media and 15,000 is another place. 4 plus 15, 19. So 19,000 you will add it. And then 19 minus 50. 50 minus 19 is equal to 31. 31 is right. Understand or not? So which way you are doing? Share capital account debit. How many shares which are going to cancel? Total 5,000 into face value. 2 share forfeiture account. 2 cautionary account. Cautionary amount already you know that amount to write and you subtract, you will get it. In another way also you can get it. This is 4,000 plus 5,000 equal to 9,000. Actually, what is this you know? This is actually from X and Y you have to get total, you should get 50,000. Out of that, X and Y did not pay 19,000 and X and Y paid 31,000. If you calculate how much X paid and how much Y paid, if you add it, you will get 31. So this is actually paid. And this is not paid. Both together. So share forfeiture means which is paid or received by the company, and cautionary means which is not paid or not paid by the shareholder or maybe not received by the company. Next we are going to pass the reissue. This is entry what we have passed for cancellations. Now what we are going to pass? We are going to pass the next entry. What is the next entry? Next entry is called the reissue. Reissue to whose? X and Y shares. So we are going to pass the next entry, that is number 10. Reissue entry. Reissue time, that time you see that we have received 8 rupees. How much we issued? 8 rupees. How many shares? 5,000 shares. So 5,000 shares into 8. That is you have received, and which you have not received, you have received 8 rupees means you have not received 2 rupees, and that 2 rupees you have to write there share forfeiture account debit. That is 5,000 into 2 is equal to 10,000. This is 5,000 into 8 is equal to 40,000. 2 share capital. Share capital, how much it was debited, same amount you will be debited. So share capital account will be automatically it will be cancelled. The last entry which is left, that is number 11. What will do the 11th entry? The 11th entry you will transfer. How much? Share forfeiture here it was debited. Share forfeiture it was debited by 10 and this is credited by 31. So make it a difference. 31 minus 10 is equal to 21. 21 credit is more. So we have to make it a debit. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. That money you have to transfer. How much you are getting? 31,000 which was credited here. And same account it was debited here. So we have to deduct 31 minus 10 is equal to 21,000. So 21,000 is here, 21,000 is here. This is the last thing. Make it a practice. I think you are understanding. If it is having any doubt, you can tell me. Okay? Bye.